In this video, I'm going to explain the one problem that every new trader has, and that's working out lot sizes and position sizes. So before we go into obviously MT4 and standard lot sizes, I just want to explain to you the three types of lot sizes that there are. Okay, the first one is what we call a standard lot. Standard lot, and that is basically your account divided up into 100,000 units. Okay, and this will be displayed, just extend the screen a little bit. This will be displayed on your brokerage as 1.00. That would be one standard lot, and mostly equivalent to about $10. So this account will be about $10. Okay, the next lot we're going to look at is a mini lot. Okay, and this breaks your account down to 10,000 units. And then this will be the equivalent to be written as in your broker value as 1.10. And this will be roughly about $1 or £1 sterling per pip. And then last but not least, we have a micro lot. And this is your account divided down to 1,000 units. Okay, and this will be displayed as 0.01, which should be the equivalent to about 10 cents or 10 pence a pip, depending on obviously all your lot sizes, guys. It's all down to the currency that your account is in. So if it's dollars, rand, sterling, Japanese yen, it's all down to obviously what your value is. So right, so now we know what a unit rate is. Okay, we want to look at working out our position size, and I'm going to show you a really easy way to do this. So for instance, we've got an account with a value of, we'll call it 2,000. Okay, and we want to risk 2% on the trade. Okay, so 2%, so we're looking at about $40. If this was a dollar account, we're looking at about $40 risk. So whatever happens on our trade, we're going to lose $40. So I'm just going to literally do a mock trade here. So this would be our stop loss. This would be our entry. And we could say that the blue would be our take profit. So I'm just going to go entry, TP for take profit, and this is our stop loss. So if the market was to go against us, we'll call it 10 pips. Right, we have a 10 pip stop. But what we need to do is work out how we can divide our lot size to risk $40 for a 10 pip stop loss. And I'm going to show you exactly an algorithm how to do that. So all we do is we work out what 2% is, which we've already done. So we know we've got a $40 risk. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide our 40 risk by our 10 pip stop loss. Okay, and obviously everyone can do the simple maths. We know that would be 4. Okay, 4. So because it's only a single decimal, this would be represented as 0.40. Okay, so what's a one decimal? If it was something like the result was 13, that would be written as 1.3, which means would be one standard lot, one mini lot. But in this case, it's just come out as 4. So that would be 4 lots. So when we look at our mini lot, right, we can see that one lot is equivalent to about $1 a pip. So 0.4 would be $4 a pip. So we divide our $4 a pip. So we times our $4 a pip here. So $4 times 10 pip stop. Okay, equals $40. There it is. So that is the easiest way to work out a lot size. So I'm going to do one more example. Okay, I'm just going to clear all the drawings. I'm just going to do one more example for you guys. So I'm going to leave that there. So we've got our original idea. So we're going to have a £1,000 account. We're going to be risking 3%. And we want a 20 pip stop loss. stop loss. Okay, so what we're going to do, really, really simple terms, we're going to work out what 3% of 1,000 is. So we know that is 30. Okay, and then we want to divide the 30 by 20 to get our result. So we've worked that out. So we've got 1.5. So even if you used a calculator and you divided 30 by 20, it would come as 1.5. So we would represent this in our broker is 0.15. Okay, so we know this would be 1.5 mini lots, or you could just say it's one mini lot, 5 micro lots. So this would be the equivalent to about £1.50 or $1.50. So 1.50 would be the value. Okay, because it's took into account the stop loss. So in our brokerage, we'd put 0.15. So when we times 0.15 or $1.50 by 20, you have exactly your $30. If any of you have any problems working out the lot sizes of an account still, in the next video, I'm going to show you what a lot size calculator is. It's just a little tool. While you're learning to obviously work up lot sizes yourself, you can use the calculator to help you.